guys, I'm going to play Murder Mystery New Update. So basically I got banned for saying bye I gotta go, and that is obviously not fair. Like, I was literally typing bye I gotta go, and that is literally not inappropriate. It says sexual content. So I use my main account. I'm using Murder Mystery. I'm at level. Basically, I think I lost my ice wing. Let me see if I lost my ice wing. I literally lost my ice wing. Can be for real, I have ice wing. There's I show speed. I show speed. Okay. I cannot be screaming right now because I will be grounded. My tablet, my iPad is grounded, or mini tablet. Like real small bacon. Yung delete ba dong? Who's Jillian? Oh, that's Jilliana? Alright. And I'm Harold. Wait, I'm gonna be rejoining some. I'm gonna be rejoining MM2 because I had something to do. Give it tea. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to go Murder Mystery because, oh my gosh, I miss this friend. It's Michelle. Yeah, I miss that friend. I literally miss this friend. He or she, I don't know what is his or her gender. I don't know what's her gender identity because her or him, her or he seems like a girl or a boy. I don't know. That's just my normal friend. Or maybe they. I'm feeling sexy. Start the round. Bro got the real karma. Karma's a bitch. I should've known better. Oh, hey, I had that. Karma's a bitch. room right now because it's night. Like, well, is that the murder? Oh, that's the. Oh no, that's not the murder. Get away, girl. Why are you targeting me? I almost screamed. That was my embarrassing. Embarrassing. I'm gonna be doing haste. I had ghost. Look at this. He had ghost. I'm using haste. Looking for a friend, right me. Okay, I need you. Girl, I literally need you. Oh, wait. Need the ball. I hate Roblox. Sometimes I love Roblox. Cause I swear I hit them when they when when they banned me for no reason. I'm just chilling there. I'm just saying bye, gotta go, bye, and they banned me for no reason. What the fuck is wrong with you, Roblox? Of course, this map is my almost favorite. This is always my favorite map. Oh, my other main account was banned. It has 8,000 pings. Pings? Or point? What the fudge? Girl, your aim is so good. What the freak? Your aim is so good, girl. What's wrong with you? Your aim is good. Better than mine. Bro has Robux, but not the level. Dude, why do many people with high Robux? My miss sister is Hadas. Who cares? Who talks to them? I'm kidding. My sister just streamed ASMR. This is my ASMR. ASMR. Wait, did I just saw the murder? I saw the murder. And it was like, shoo. I'm feeling. Wow, girl just got juked. Why are you targeting me, girl? Like, what the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Okay, where's the gun? Where's the fucking gun? Okay, how about upstairs? Is on upstairs? Where's the fucking gun? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, who was the murderer? Oh, alright. I already know. I'm feeling sassy. Where? I need 1 coin to go. I swear if I die. What do you mean, classmate? That's your friend. What the hell? What the hell is wrong with you? What the hell? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. Girl, why are you targeting me? No, you can't kill me. Of course. Skinny jeans. You got roasted, girl. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you very, very much. You will be sorry for your cancer. She gotta experience. He gotta experience those with you. I'm sorry for. What the fuck was? What the frick is wrong with this girl? I mean, it's a man. You should be sorry with your small hair. Oh shit, damn. That's the small avatar. Oops, I missed. I'd be not saving innocent people. What the fuck? What? Didn't you see that, guys? Why didn't he die? I have heart cancer. I am freaking laughing right now. Okay, who was the? Who's Saggy? That is Saggy? Oh my gosh, Saggy. I have small avatars. I'll come from the depth of the heaven. Shut up. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. This map is the best. I guess. I'm feeling sexy. This is sexy. This will be ASMR with lang. It is so satisfying. I'm innocent at the hotel. Right from there, I'm bad at murder on hotel because everyone was like, easy. Bro, this shit, what the heck, bro? I'm gonna collect. When Robux come, I'll make a funny skin. Same! Now you already look like clown. Why is this? But needed your help, girly. He has cancer. I'm not joking. I wish my cat was back. Why did Nicholas ban me for 3 days? Just saying, bye, I gotta go. What the fuck, Nicholas? I'm gonna fuck you. I'm in Roblox. I'm gonna, I'm gonna, I'm gonna wipe you. I'm gonna use your face to wipe out my ass. Like, Roblox. Didn't you see? I was just saying, I was just saying, I was just saying, I was just saying, I gotta go and you bend me for no reason. How is that? That's impossible. I'm just saying, like, normal things. Is that ain't normal? Who's the murderer? Cause I don't know. You mean the gun girl? Girlie, who's the murderer? Shoot him! Shoot him! Oh, that is the murderer. Oh, great. He's getting me now. Oh, wait. Yeah, girly won. Girly just won! I'm feeling bad. Envy! Oh my gosh, Envy! Envy! Karkagol! Chuka, 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 Chun on gagura. Hello ku hak twa joke. Nah, that's Envy. Oh! Girl, you got roasted. Oten mo grandma. Okay, unja na. Dira aron na ibutang. Just put it in there. Ibutang na dira. Kukar kagol. Nag-as yung balibo ko. Kasi nasaan na yung murderer? At least buhay pa. Grandma Envy. If I have Robux, I will do Envy as cosplay. I love Envy so much. She's so cute. Cuter than my balls. I'm just kidding. Sheriff! Sheriff. I'm a sheriff again. Liit ng utin mo. Te, ang racist mo, te. Ang racist mo. Ang inang racist yan. At least buhi pa. Oh my gosh, 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 competent. Oh! Mas independent but panting ko kaysa sa'yo. RIP putang ina yan. Nag-spam job kasi siya eh. Dude, nag-leave siya. Diyan lang yan. Ako lang bahala. Ako rin bahala. Dira ara na, ako rin bahala. Ako rin bahala. City Bajakabal, all is well. Unida da da nida uga jahuga netta heke anake wai huja. Dahan-dahan baka mabalik puto. Ang ina niyan. Nahulid. Why did cowboy split? Cause it's a cowboy. How joke is that? Fly hookah, hookah, city baja, city baja, city let the all is well. Let the all is well. Let the all is well. Pansit Canton. Ikaw si Pansit Canton, ako si Noodles, ikaw si Ampalaya. Sup-sup sa ukti sa bana, charot. Joke lang. Oy. Sheriff ko! Sheriff! I'm Sheriff. Pwede babagok ng isang segundo kasi buhay ay di karera. Alo. Isang gok-gok sa segundo. Ano yan? Go, go, go! Sino murderer?
Enjoy na po my class.
Suspicious yan. Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang, te. Wait lang, te! Utang ina mo, te. Gawin yung uting mo ba na yan? Please, 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 Lord, please. Tang ina mo. Ano? Te! Nga naman! Badang. Fly hookah, hot to the boss, city baja, seto. Bahog bilap. Bading ka lang. Agoy! We murderer at this round. Ba't ganon? Bala ka dira patjun ka dang. Team tahaba charot.
Yo, 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 yo.
Isa pa na patjun na ba? Hapit jud mapatay. Ba't ganun best? Uy, slay ni Dora. Ba't ang slay ni Dora? mo.
Yo, 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 yo.
Lamunin mo yung tai, putang ina mo. Hindi. Sige.
Yo, 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 yo. Sige, nati. Ako na po winner. Ako na lagi winner, ti. Daga na yung makaka-winner.
Bala ka dyan.
Mahina jugan mo. Okay, bandi. Yes, so lagi.
Hindi mo ko maban. Kasi slay girl ako. Di mo ko maban.
Why?
Ako'y deserve ko nun.
Ate,
Kuno ni mo, day.
ako lo.
Go. Envy! Hala, si Envy. Tiguang na Envy. Oh my gosh.
You're so fucking bitch.
Haba, maban ka? Ganan ka maban. Nice try.
Ako mo, you're
Oh my gosh.
because sila kay wala sila ng code. Wala sila nagtawag na o. Di man sila kadungog sila. So, di makumoy no. Kaya di na ko kamao. Di nila kanila. Yo, my sister is so win again.
What the frick happens to your math grammar?
Ano fan?
Shit, damn, you did not. You turn off my AirPods.
Yo, ay.
Ew! Sumbong jud ka. Ganan ka i-delete na akong imong Roblox. Delete to. Tanak na ko. Sister mo galing mental. Grabe naman siya!
Yo, my best friend is
Grabe naman. Yapakan mo.
we are winner. My best friend is
Yes po, madam.
Ano din ni uy. God, shut up, God. Please, 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 God, shut up, God. Yo.
Sheriff.
Shut up. Tanaw mo ko imong clock. Ay, imong tablet. Ako sa pool. Kuha lagi sila. Guys.
Siyapakan mo, NB, ang murderer.
Yun!
Upload cancer. I'm just kidding.
Ate na si Jaduyan. Sana si Jaduyan ate. Ate, saka Jaduyan. Anong naku bok.
Ang sakit ng kuko ko, putang ina.
Utang.
Sana yung gun.
Malaw.
Ang ina,
Tayo.
ang layo. Sige, nakunin ko na yung gun. Nakunin ko na yung gun. Hala, Mr. Pogyman. Uy, mag-leave pala ako. Mag-hop up server after ma-win na yung murder or sheriff. Basta.
Ato sa doyan ate.
What?
Ato sa doyan.
Uy, ako way first sa duyan. Rar! Wow. Slay girl sa susunod.
Ate.
Namatay. Yeah, innocent queen. Ba't ganun?
Kanino? Kanino?
Hop up server na ako, guys. Bye. Bye mga berries. Mga berries. Mag-troll avatar ako next video. Bye.